Welcome to another video and episode on my Raspberry Pi 3 in combination with the PiXtend PLC, Programmable Logic Control, in combination with a breadboard with a little bit of electronics, as well as physics technique. So this is the Raspberry Pi 3B. That one is compatible with this PLC board and connected to LED, resistor, button and physics technique LED. Here another physics technique LED and connections to optional lamp or motor or whatever via relays and LEDs to digital output. So here's a digital output via a resistor to this LED. Also possible serial interface to computer. Currently not connected, but that may change in the course of this video. I don't know yet, because the first focus is to find out why a certain LED is not burning, and that is the third LED, LED 2, because you start counting by 0, which is here connected to a probe to an oscilloscope. If the program runs, programmed in Python, all LEDs work except that one. So the focus is what's going on with that one. Let's try and find out. Well, this is part of this is screencast part, and you can see that the VNC viewer has been reset by connection. So broken pipe. So I'm afraid that for some reason I did something that reset the whole board. Not very nice. I can't connect just yet. Right, I've logged in again. Starting the VNC server. Now I can connect again. And most likely, yep, everything that I set up here is gone. So I need to open the Python environment again. And I have to open the terminal again. And this is the program I want to run. So once again, it's a second LED that doesn't run. So which is that again. I should have shown that right away. Is this one? No, it's not, because this is diode 1. This is diode 2. Okay, I should most likely extend everything, because this is clearly on the breadboard, not on the PiXtend. Nice to find. Anyway, these two probes are these two probes, or these two lines are these two probes. And when I see, and hopefully you can see it better as far as these LEDs are concerned. Yep. Let's wait and see again. One, two. Am I looking the wrong way now? I hope not. Relays again. LED 0, 1. Oh, lo and behold, now they work. So the LED that didn't work so far suddenly has started to work. Very nice. I already checked by connections and using this magnifier, which is a quadruple magnifier by the way, and nothing was wrong. So clearly nothing is wrong. The question is though, why don't I see that in here? Which brings me back to another question. Why, if I put the things on either these relays or any output for that matter, I don't see anything? So shifting the focus to that. So more probes. This is LED 3, 2, one is not attached right now, maybe I should, but this one is leading to the breadboard with right now either a very faint or no signal. Can I improve that by putting another LED there? If I have such an LED, maybe this one is alright, and then I should hold them here for plus. This one is plus, so I just put this one over here, and maybe, just maybe, something works. Another thing is, of course, I am measuring signal. How do I measure voltage? Well, changing the oscilloscope, of course. So it is channel 1, and this should do for other voltages. Does it work? Oh, I get signal now. Or was that a coincidence? I'm not seeing anything, so oh yeah, there was a change in signal. So let me change. One millisecond. Do I see something? Yeah, I do. 2 milliseconds. Yeah, I do see something, but I better put it to a smaller value. I do see something. Okay, smaller value. Yeah, definitely. 50 microseconds. Yeah, I definitely see something. So it's a low voltage with a very short signal. So what happens if I change this to 1 volt as well? So now these three are are having the same volts and the same time base. I did not expect to see this, but anything is possible. Yep, definitely is. So how to deal with this? Unexpected. Next question. What is the relay doing? This part. I have put the last probe, this one, to the last relay. So in effect this one. I also put that voltage even half of 1 volt. So let's run it. And then with the fourth probe, yep, and there you see the signal change. With 1 volt you see it as well, but less clear. Unfortunately, this not very nice line have been able, I've not found to find it, how to make it clear. But this is quite nice already. Different time base again. And you see the signals go. So unfortunately it is 1 volt that is visible. So now I know what to look for. So I'm going to increase the voltage of 1 to 2 volts. This one as well, and this one as well. Let's see what result it gives. Still visible, but remarkably this one doesn't do anything. So if what happened, no, it is attached to the resistor here, so it gets the same signal as is here. Maybe, just maybe, if I change the seating here just a little, LEDs now, yeah, no, and I am missing now the purple wire for some reason. That's yellow, blue doesn't do anything, and purple doesn't do anything. What did I change? If anything. No, I didn't certainly change anything to this one. And then yellow, yeah, blue, no, purple, nothing either. But now I do know that the signals are rather low voltage, 2 volts, and very short. So that explains as well why, let me turn the camera a bit, why this one doesn't work, because LEDs work on a higher voltage than 1 or 2. So now the question is, why are the voltages so low? Is that due to the entrance voltage being only 12 volts instead of 24? I can't answer that. But I'm wiser. I know more now. So with this voltage and time base riddle more or less solved, I can go on. Also an LED that suddenly starts working, very nice. I don't know what I have done to make it work, but it does work. So for now, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment or suggestion, very much appreciated. You can also follow me via Twitter and Instagram. Please show your support and appreciation by making a donation via either PayPal or Wired, or you can also become a patron. And you may have your name mentioned on my website and with my videos. More information is under this video, including the URL of my website, and you can also see in the next short segment for more information. This is to be continued. Have a nice day and bye bye.